Hey guys, today I'm making a video on an awesome thing that I have. I am making a video on my fidget spinner. Not any old fidget spinner. A LED fidget spinner. Stupid light. 1 second. If I just I just need to flip that. An LED fidget spinner. If you don't know what an LED fidget spinner is, it's this fidget spinner with LED lights in it, and then it spins around. Fidget with it for hours. It can also hypnotize you. It looks really cool if I just take these off. It looks really cool on camera. But I extend it on camera. Just watch it for hours. And then you stop it. So I'm going to show you a few tricks like this one and this one and even this one. So here they are. If you hear something in the background, it's just my brother have the TV pumped up real loud playing Overwatch. This is how my hair is going to start being in real life in my videos. I'm going to swoop it away. This is how my hair is going to look from now on. And then we're just going to wait for it to grow at one point over this side. It's going to look real cool. Can take like, I don't know how much months, but I'm going to tell my mom that I don't want to cut it, but we're off track, and I'm going to like show you my fidget spinner. It has a few different patterns. Here's the first pattern, 2 patterns. So here's the first pattern. Can you see it? So, okay. Then here's the second pattern. First pattern, it goes like real fast. Second pattern, it like flashes. See, here's the second pattern.
No!
And
No, that's my hands finding no good. The pulse, are you kidding me?
And this one just flashes real fast. And can you see the different pattern? You don't really need to pause this video. What? Okay, 1 second, guys.
What? Yeah, I'm doing this video.
So, I'm back. Hey. Okay, I'm back. Wait. Where's my fidget? I need my fidget.
But I have it.
Here's my fidget.
It's not yours.
Yes, it is mine.
It's the share.
No, it is mine.
Come on.
The fidget spinner is mine. Daddy got it for me. Okay, so just like drop. Then here. See? So 5 minutes so far. Let's just wait until it's 6. I mean, no, not 6. 7 minutes. So 2 more minutes, pretty much. So you like to use fidget spinner? Bam. So it's really cool light up LED fidget spinner. And it just does really cool stuff. Like you could spin it on your nose. Fidget spinners are pretty cool. And you can like spin them on your nose. I just got this fidget spinner yesterday.
What were you supposed to use for ice cream?
Ice cream scoop. Did you ask your dad, please?
Well,
Where the ice cream scoop is?
bam.
He didn't even have dinner. He just wants a small bit. But you'll stuff your...
Yes.
Oh, I want ice cream.
No, actually, I was talking to you. You put me off.
Watch this. I just like looking at it on camera when it's not lighting up. I can look at it for hours. So it's just a pretty cool light up LED fidget spinner. I'm just gonna show you a few more things. You're gonna see this in lots of videos because I'm gonna spin it like all the entire time in videos. It's like spinning for hours. Spin it for hours. Spin it for hours. Spin it for hours. Okay, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment if you like the fidget spinner and if you have an LED fidget spinner. Once you subscribe, comment I subscribed. My fidget spinner and me say bye, Gamesters.